Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below, and remember, this is just my personal experience with using the platform. Giant Protocol aims to revolutionize internet access by creating a decentralized, peer-to-peer network. Think of it as a globally shared internet connection, built and maintained by the users themselves. Instead of relying on traditional internet service providers, ISPs, Giant leverage the collective bandwidth of its participants. When you join the Giant network, your device contributes some of its unused internet capacity, and in return, you gain access to the combined bandwidth of everyone else on the network. This collaborative model has the potential to drastically reduce costs and increase access, particularly in areas underserved by conventional ISPs. Giant Protocol's innovative approach addresses the growing digital divide. By harnessing underutilized internet capacity, Giant creates a more equitable and accessible internet experience. This peer-to-peer structure also enhances network resilience. Since there's no single point of failure, the network is less vulnerable to outages and censorship. If one connection goes down, the network simply reroutes traffic through other available peers, ensuring a more robust and reliable connection. The project uses a cryptocurrency token to incentivize participation and ensure fair distribution of resources. Users earn tokens by sharing their bandwidth, which they can then use to access the network or exchange for other cryptocurrencies. This tokenized system fosters a self-sustaining ecosystem where users are rewarded for their contributions. Giant Protocol is more than just a cost-effective internet solution, it's a movement toward a more democratic and decentralized internet, empowering individuals and communities worldwide. By distributing control and ownership, Giant envisions a future where internet access is a fundamental right, not a privilege. With its potential to bridge the digital divide and foster a more resilient internet, Giant Protocol is definitely a project to keep an eye on. Check out their website for more information and consider joining the growing community working towards a better internet for everyone.